5, 4, 3, 2.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Wanda.
And my name is Dorothy Ann, but you can call me Dorothy.
Today we're going to go on a tour around the cytoskeleton inside the cell.
Cytoskeletons' functions are based on several structures such as microtubules, intermediate filaments, and microfilaments.
And cytoskeletons are networks of thin tubes that hold together and give cell shape. Let's look at the mitotubules. Mitotubules are hollow tubes that are made of coiled proteins. Their main function is to maintain the cell shape, and they're responsible for moving chromosomes and organelles.
Microtubules give motility to cilia and flagella. They're hair-like structures that extend from the surface of the cell and help with movement.
Cilia are shorter in length than flagella.
Cilia in the ear vibrate to help detect sound.
And flagella gives movement to human sperm cells. Woo!
Oh, and we can't forget about the centrioles in the microtubules. Centrioles are organelles that are composed of two short microtubules that are at right angles to each other.
Centrioles can be found in the cytoplasm near the nuclear envelope. Centrioles can only occur in animal cell, and they can have active role in mitosis.
Now let's get a look at the two types of filaments in the cytoskeleton.
Microfilaments are long thread of proteins, actins that help cells with movement. They're linked to end, wrapped around each other like two strands of rope.
For example, they help with the contraction of muscle cells and the crawling of white blood cells.
Intermediate filaments are rods that hold the nucleus in place and keep the internal shape of the nucleus.
For example, now
the structure for the intermediate filament is protein fibers that coiled into cables.
The structure for the intermediate... Because of this structure, they make up most of the hair shaft.
Oh my day! Let's go to the review room! Let's review. Microtubules are hollow tubes that are made up of coiled proteins. They maintain the cell shape, and they give motility to cilia and flagella.
Cilia is shorter than flagella, and they're thicker than flagella. They vibrate in the ear to detect sound.
And flagellum, it gives movement to human sperm cells. Woo! So they're longer than cilia. Now let's talk about intermediate filaments. Intermediate filaments keep the nucleus in place, makes up most of our hair shaft, and keeps the internal shape of a nucleus. And they're long threads of protein, actins.
Microfilaments are wrapped around each other like rope, and they help with cell movement. They are linked end to end like rope.
That's it for us. Hope